We are going to start off with first the history of discounting products. Why does this even happen? So, especially during the summer months, is what we're really trying to lean into here as we're filming this in April. In retail, the summer months tend to be when we have inventory changeover. It also tends to be when we have the lowest amount of consumer intent. So the way that inventory-based stores like retail outlets handle this is they discount the products to move it off of their shelf so they can bring in new products into the store and also incentivize people to spend money. Now, you'll notice this when you walk through the mall and you see 30, 40, 50, 60, 80% off sales happening everywhere. Also, during the summer months, we are leading up after a really big rush of sales season, right? We've got Valentine's Day, we've got Mother's Day, we've got Father's Day. We've got basically every 3 to 5 weeks, the middle of February to June, we've got some reason that most brands are discounting some product somewhere for something. So ultimately, this means that by the time summer comes, everybody that's on the edge or potentially thinking about something has already taken action. And all the easy money is gone. So the only real lever left for a lot of advertisers and retailers is ultimately discount their products. So we see massive sales happening. It also happens systemically across all of retail, and because most online marketers in the beginning were traditionally real world retailers, and most marketers that are on the internet have come from a lot of those places, that behavior transitioned because the internet was an extension of brick and mortar starting off. And as e-commerce has grown, we've seen that behavior amplified. With the existence of Black Friday going from the rush after Thanksgiving dinner to the entire month. So what this really means is we have to understand where the history of discounting products comes from, because it's going to tremendously help us understand the positioning or the discounts that we are running, and ultimately understand whether it's good money or bad money, if we need to do it at all, and potentially most important, understanding how we can best take advantage of good opportunities to use this as a lever to improve the LTV, the AOV, the volume and quality of our customers, truly begin to understand what is it that we need: cash flow, market share, or revenue generation potential. Because all of those things ultimately predicate a different strategy for how we're going to ultimately try to run our business.